back. Caroline gets it, grabbing the rail in the barrel. Caroline traveling her silhouette visible on the foundation as we watch Caroline just briefly. Aaron and Mikey. Aaron right, Mikey right. So, stroking into this one, finds the bottom, comes off the bottom, and then stalls. Gets the hand drag, gets the barrel still in there, nicely done, to the right.